Look. Just against, for example, you will run now with very high RPM. Make it more safe. You see, I put this tool. So make a gap visual, 2-3 millimeters, and secure. Why? Because in case something wrong, it will make this balance. It will not allow to jump out and fly away and kill yourself. So initially, for start, just make this. If all okay, then slowly you can remove and start to work.
To continue with our recondition job, we will put the spotlight onto the basic safety operation of lathe machine. Prior any lathe machine job, make sure you are familiar with its control operation, machinery hazards and safety checks before, during, and after any lathe machine operation.
This face, we will not cut, it's still very good.
Yeah.
Luckily nobody damaged. Last time when we installed,
Was too much people.
fitter spent around 4 hours only for lapping and grinding.
Yeah.
Because inside was so many fittings, especially on the lowest point. You understood? Yes,
Yeah.
angle. So bottom part always suffer, always. You understood why? Because all coming down. Doesn't matter when you install it falling down, or you not, or you care less and you install, but always suffer bottom part. Some cylindrical surface.
Yeah.
Why? Because manually you cannot hold it properly. If you hold manually, it become like fish eye. Okay, so if you use some cylindrical surface, you can maintain angle.
Yeah, okay.
Straight.
Will be even, eh?
Yes. So
Lathe Machine 101. Use of high RPM requires qualified and skilled personnel. Never attempt without proper training and know-how. For this buffing operation, we used an emery cloth to smoothen seating surface and a cylindrical tool to even out the grinding. To properly smoothen the seats, steady your hand at an angle aligned to the seat. Assist the tool bit to gradually grind the uneven surface of the seat. Buff the housing with an emery cloth until all burrs are removed and the body becomes clean and shiny.
sometimes there is dirty just from the engine. Now Peter clean it nicely, but that still is kept with the electrician on the toolboard. So you just make RPMs and clean it inside. Only this, only for that. Don't use for any other thing.
What a broken.
And of course, same. You just give a kick. And same one with turbine. Opposite direction. So one is one side, another is another side. But Peter already cleaned this, no necessary. So looks like new almost. And then now remain only complete polishing. Visually almost nothing, but still have. So if you see this one is like a small hole in circumference. So we needed to make as much as possible smooth. So once we start lap, it should be only one very thin 0.01 millimeter trace of surface touching. That's all.
Well-polished parts aid in the ease of operation of metals. Use only fine lapping compound in reconditioning seats. For the spindle, polishing of the stem requires the support of the tailstock to avoid wobbling during high RPM operation. Same cylindrical tool was used to polish the spindle seat. In polishing the body, use the other side of the emery cloth with very fine lapping compound to eliminate metal stains and create workshop shine finish. Again, familiarity with the lathe machine operation is a required skill set for the job. Safety precautions applied. Do you want more? Follow the assembly video of this special episode in the next tutorial to learn more. We would like to thank Chief Engineer Oleksiy Semenov for the active participation and guidance in the creation of this content. This is Marine Engineering 101.